Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. In today's analysis, we will take a look at the breakout from the inverse head and shoulder pattern and this cup and handle pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to show a short clip from the previous video, and I want to show you what I told you in my last video. If we take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, let me place this trend line first here. This is the neckline, and our target after this breakout can be, for example, if we will break it out from here, then our target will be approximately at 90 cents. And at the same time, if we take a look at more closer look at this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then here we also have, after this rejection, we also have another formation of a cup and handle, very nice round shaped cup. And the handle of the cup, you can see here we have a very nice round body of the cup. And here we have the handle of this cup, and if I place the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, where we have the neckline of this cup and handle, then you can see it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. So unless it will be not retraced more than this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement or break down this level, this is a valid cup and handle. And for example, if we take a look at the target for this inverse for this cup and handle, and the neckline is the same, the resistance is the same, where we have the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern. The target for the cup and handle will be approximately at 80 cents. And now you can see that MATIC has broken out this resistance of inverse head and shoulder pattern, and also this cup and handle pattern as well. And let me to show you the target of this inverse head and shoulder pattern once again. And our because our neckline was here, and if I place it here, then you can see here we had our neckline. Our target was approximately 90 to 93 cents, and the price line has rallied very close to $1, approximately at 99 cents. And right now it is moving down and very close to this neckline. Not very close, but it is possible that it may retest this previous resistance as a support if it will be moved more down. But if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and in here we have another support that can stop the price line to move more down from here to test the previous resistance of this neckline as a support, and I'll show you that support as well. First of all, let me to show you this big down channel that we have been watching in my previous videos. And right now you can see that price line, after breaking out this channel, has rallied very well. After the breakout, if I place the measurement tool from this breakout to this current candlestick, then we can see almost 100% the price line has rallied after this breakout. And from this low, when we tested this support here up to this high, MATIC has surged more than 200%. And you can see that first we broke it out here, we retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and we moved up. And after breaking out, by the way, this resistance, we also retested this resistance as well, and we moved up. And now you can see, after getting rejected by this $1 resistance, we are moving down. Now there is a possibility that we may test this support of 66 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance, and also this support of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. That is also the resistance of this cup and handle pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame, then this is not the weekly, this is also the daily time frame. Then here we have formed another up channel after breaking out this resistance of the channel. If I place a trend line here at the support, then you can see MATIC has found another new support here, and this is the new resistance of the new channel. And for example, if it will be bounced once again from this support, then first it needs to break out this resistance of $1, and after breaking out this resistance of $1, it can move more up to the resistance of this channel that will be approximately $1.28. Therefore, if we will have a price reversal from the support of an up channel, there will be a very high probability that we will also break out this next resistance of $1 as well. And by the way, this $1 level has been breaking as a support here, and support here, support here, support here, and almost as a resistance here back in April 2021. Therefore, it can work as a strong resistance. However, the target for this down channel, because we have already broken out this down channel, so far we have rallied more than 200%, and now if we take a look at the target for this down channel, the final target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately $1.70 to 75 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.